Welcome back to the Civic. Right, Tom said he wants this arch done, but we cannot find the panel, so we're going to have to make something. So I've just been cutting the crappy, didn't actually, well, it was a crap job, because obviously what they've done is armoured in the rusty bit and just crammed some metal on top of it. So we're going to cut, I don't know, I might leave that one in yet. I might just take the bottom edge off it, just so I got a bit of structure for the minute. I can work up into that section when I'm doing the arch round. So what I need to do is probably weld in this section, then put in, I've just folded up some metal to replace those bits, which go on top of the bits I've already replaced. And then I have got a new arch, so I got something to build the replacement. So obviously it's going to be in that section there. Build the replacement panel in off the car reasonably accurately. Yeah, it does seem to be a bit never-ending. Why isn't that lined up? So now I'm going to take, this is a weld, I'm going to take that off, grind this weld down, and then try and unpick this if I can, or just grind it away bit by bit till I'm, because the back feels good. Yeah, bugger. Like the Hilux advert. If you don't remember that, I'll put a clip of that in now.
Bugger. Ooh, bugger me. Bugger. Easy now, son. Ooh, bugger. You burn.
Bugger.
Bugger.
Okie dokie, so cut most of the worst of this section out. And what I'm going to do, I have folded a 90 on it, but I've done it in the wrong place. So we're abandoning the 90. And what I'm going to do is make it to this replacement arch panel, which will be going on there. So what I'm just about to do is weld a seam that's going to go, how's it going to work? It's a seam that will go flat in here, then I'll have to weld another seam to do this return. It should be great. So we've got the first stage, so that's the return, that'll go in there, and I'll weld another piece onto that. So what I now need to do is drag a piece around here, weld that on, do the same thing, and then we need a return here coming round, which can then tuck into this, tuck into this here, if this all goes well. a nice smooth edge. So we've got the next bit of return, whatever you want to call it. I haven't quite hit the tripod leg with my leg, it's not brilliant. I haven't quite got the gap closed up there yet, but I'm going to put some spots around here and then push that edge in. And then grind it the same as the other one. Should be perfect. Actually, I shouldn't say that. It might not be perfect. This isn't something I've done before. Obviously, I've welded stuff. I haven't made it on the Civic inner outer arch repair section. So kind of making it up as it goes, as I go along. And the danger with all this, you can cut one bit off and be like, oh, I've completely cocked this up, I've got to start again. But at least you've got pattern then. So this is the theory. Why is that like that now? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Ow, 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 ow. So this is our section put into the replacement arch. That's pretty much what we were looking for, but now we need to put on this return going this way. And also remember, it is not at 90 degrees, which is going to make it easy. But yeah, that's looking at it. So in front of the rear wheel, that's what you'll see. Which, do I need to put the yeah, I do need to put the return. Oh, I wonder if I can weld it on the panel. I'm saying that, what I can do. So yeah, we've got that sanded down. Sorry, this camera's a bit dark. No, what's going on here? It's not as good as my phone. Yeah, so we've sort of made a three-dimensional panel, and now we need to go for four. Which I don't understand, because you can have 4D baby scans, but there's not a 4D. Well, it is a film, but we're getting aside. I'm going to do a ranty video soon of things that are pissing me off now I'm 40. I've started making the list. We will return to this. What's happening, Anne?
Right?
Sort of going it.
How much was our window after for my Jeep?
Oh, it was like 15 for the regulator and 15 for the motor, wasn't it? I only think you need the regulator, I don't think you need the motor.
No.
I got it saved on my thing.
Can you order it for me?
Yeah,
can I give you the money for it?
Yeah, of course. I'll do it when I get home tonight.
I gotta get it fucking done, it's driving me fucking nuts.
Yeah, it's not worth fucking about. I know we could take it out and weld it, but then...
Pushing it up.
Yeah, no, it's fine now. So yeah, this is proving more challenging. Yeah,
Thin as fuck, isn't it?
Yeah, but the car is thin as fuck, to be fair. Like, so it is probably about the same size as what I say. But I gotta make the piece that goes in here. It's got two return. It should go like that.
Alright.
But of course you've got to make it's curved that way and curved a bit that way, and then you've got one edge and then another edge on the top end to come.
Yeah, it's open to fold that bit there.
Well, you can't.
What you need is what do they call them? A slim folder.
I have seen something.
Maybe a tigger goer. You can take sections out of it. Drop sections in.
Yeah, and it's there's something, and they're not very expensive.
It's a panel folder, is it?
Yeah, but
Is that what they call it?
No one ever puts pictures of what it is about, because I think you could copy it quite easy if you freaking.
I don't even copy it. It's all sleeved and machined.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and you get different folders to go in there. You can get.
Yeah, so we're making progress, but I've flamingoed up slightly. It's like a cock up, but much bigger. This seam should come out to here. So what I've done is spot welded a piece on the back. It also gives us a bit of strength in the bottom of it. So I'm now going to do a line. We're fine here, but we were out by that much, that blue mark at that point. So I'll do a diagonal line down there, cut that off, and then we'll do another one of these edges. And then it should fit the replacement fan. It doesn't fit on the car, but there's a load of crappy welding and rubbish on the back of that panel. So I can't get it. It's got to fit this. This is what's going to be fitted to the car. So yeah, my other camera's gone flat now. I need to get some genuine batteries for it. The copy ones I got are rubbish. Good camera though. As you can see, probably from the different footage, darker than this is an S9 Plus Samsung. It does really good in low light conditions. Okay, let's get this bit done. So that was more what I was aiming for. So now, like I say, we're going to try and do this return edge here, which is going to sit on the back of this. Yeah, that's pretty much what we were aiming for. So that's going to be in front of the wheel. I need to trim off that corner there, which you can just see. I haven't got an English wheel, and these are my excuses now. That's about as good as I was. If I'm honest, it's better than I was hoping it was going to come out. It can be all welded in. So yeah, the wheel, this is in front of the wheel. Just looking at the front of the car. So that bottom section. Oh, I've got to point that weld down a bit. That area is hidden behind. You can't actually see that. So that's what if we're looking at the car, that's what we'll see. Like I said, I'm going to have to cut this 90 off and put another, I'll spot weld another one on the back. So yes, that'll be going sort of obviously underneath this, but there's all crap and stuff. Just go down, I think the bottom's level with that blue line. So that's where I've done the 90 wrong. See the big gap at the top? It'll fit perfect, but it's got to be out, angled out like that. But yeah, we'll take a slow process. and progressively. But this is the worst side. The other side's not as bad. So once this one's done, the other side will be breeze, easy. Yeah, we're happy with that. Right, that's probably going to be an episode, I think. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Luke for all the sharing. I hate to Tom. I hate to Elijah as well. I think that's everyone. Yeah. Right, catch you later.